Hey, it's Ali Amir here. Selling on Amazon is getting more competitive by the day. That's where AI comes in. We're talking tools that can help you find winning products, write killer listings, handle customer service, and even manage your prices, all on autopilot. I spent months testing AI tools for Amazon sellers to bring you the best options. Watch until the end because the last tool is a game changer for price adjustments. First up, Helium 10 AI for product research. Helium 10 has been around forever, but their AI suite is a game changer. Finding winning products is a data game, and Helium 10 AI takes the guesswork out. They use sophisticated algorithms to analyze millions of data points from Amazon. One of my favorite features is their black box AI. You tell it what you're looking for and it spits out a list of potential winners. Trend Tracker identifies products experiencing a surge in demand before they become competitive. Imagine getting in on the next big trend right as it takes off. Helium 10 AI isn't the cheapest, but it's worth every penny for serious sellers. Next, Jungle Scout AI for supplier research and sales trends. Jungle Scout and Helium 10 are often seen as competitors. Jungle Scout's AI-powered supplier database gives you insights you won't find elsewhere. You can see supplier ratings, lead times, and compare pricing. Opportunity Finder helps you discover profitable niches. Filter by category, demand, competition, and seasonality. Jungle Scout AI excels in tracking sales trends with incredible accuracy. This data is invaluable for inventory management and product launches. Now let's talk about AI for listing optimization. Your listing is your salesperson and it needs to be convincing and optimized. AI tools like ChatGPT and Perplexity AI can help. ChatGPT can write catchy titles and compelling bullet points, but it doesn't understand Amazon SEO nuances. Perplexity AI pulls real-time Amazon keyword trends. It ensures your listing includes the most relevant search terms. Use ChatGPT for the initial draft, then Perplexity AI for optimization. This combo creates listings that rank well and convert. It's a game changer for Amazon sellers. Let's talk about PPC, a major pain point for Amazon sellers. PPC can drive traffic and boost sales, but it's complex and time-consuming. Enter Sellerboard AI, which automates your PPC campaigns. It connects to your Amazon Seller Central account and analyzes PPC data in real time. Sellerboard AI adjusts bids, pauses underperforming keywords, and finds new profitable ones. It ensures you're not wasting money on non-converting clicks. Sellerboard AI also provides in-depth profit analytics. This level of detail is invaluable for strategic business decisions. So, which AI tool is the best for Amazon sellers? It depends on your needs and budget. Best for product research, Helium 10 AI, unmatched in uncovering hidden gems and predicting trends. Best for listing optimization, Perplexity AI combines ChatGPT's writing prowess with Amazon SEO smarts. Best for PPC and profits, Sellerboard AI automates campaigns and provides deep profit insights. Want me to test another AI tool? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Amazon automation hacks.